I'm Akash Kashyap, and today we're going to be talking about the law of music, and in particular, synchronization. Now, synchronization refers to the process by which an existing piece of music, which is already subject to copyright, is placed in combination with visual elements and other audio elements to create a new audiovisual work. Now, you can see this happen across a wide variety of genres. This happens in television, film, advertising, even video games. And the purposes that it serves are broad as well. Today, we're going to explore a little bit about what exactly synchronization is legally speaking and what you need to do in order to enter the synchronization process. Essentially, how do you get the right license for your type of synchronization? So first, let's start going into what exactly synchronization is.
Synchronization is the creation of audio-visual media, that is, the combination of visual elements and audio elements in which some or all of the audio elements used constitute their own independent copywritten musical work. Now, what you use of this work can be all of the musical work or part of the musical work. Either way, it will be considered synchronization. Now, for example, a song that is used to back or to provide a certain feel or emphasis to an advertisement or to a scene in a film or as the theme song of a television show or to create a new animated or shot music video. These are all examples of synchronization.
So, having gone over what synchronization is, what its uses are, and how it functions, we now need to look at how you go about actually creating a synchronized piece of work. In essence, how you get the rights from the copyright holder to synchronize a piece of work, whether it's a recording or a composition, to your audiovisual medium.
The way in which to legally undertake synchronization is by acquiring a license. Now, when you're using a copywritten musical work for the purposes of synchronization, you are using all of the rights that are within that work. That means any and all composition copyrights and any and all copyrights related to sound recording will have to be licensed. You cannot take just the composition right or just the recording right because you will be violating the right that you did not license. License fees for synchronization are generally in the form of a flat fee arrangement, but depending on a number of factors, these can range from hundreds of dollars to millions of dollars. Considerations involved include the nature of the use. Is it something that the artist agrees with, something that they're neutral towards, or something that they don't like? The length of use. How long is the song? Are you using all of it, half of it, just 10 seconds, and so on? The prominence of the use, if it's going to be used as the main audio or just as a background element. And finally, the popularity of both the recording of the song and the song itself, the composition. So is the composition copyright popular? Is that specific sound recording copyright popular? Are both popular? These are factors that are going to determine how expensive the license will be for you. Given this, oftentimes the most desirable works for synchronization will be the most expensive and out of your hands. There are some cost-saving methods, such as engaging in a cover recording or a sound-alike, that we will be discussing in a future video.
So that's how synchronization works, what it is, how it's used, and what you need to do in order to synchronize a piece of music in your audiovisual medium. Now, it can be an expensive process, and it's very important that you have the right licenses and permissions to move forward with your synchronization. That being said, we would recommend that you consult an intellectual property attorney in order to best understand how to synchronize music to your work.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment with your thoughts, share it with friends and family, and subscribe to see more content.